Discover the future with Tech Skills Mastery. Are you ready to unlock your potential and embark on an exciting journey into the world of technology? Look no further. Introducing our cutting-edge technology skills course, designed to equip you with the knowledge and expertise needed to succeed in today's digital age. Why choose our technology skills course? 1. Comprehensive curriculum. Our course offers a comprehensive curriculum that covers a wide range of in-demand tech skills. From programming languages to blogging to smartphones hardware repair, Android and iPhone software solutions, and cartoon animation movie creation, we've got you covered. 2. Expert instructors. Learn from industry experts who are passionate about technology and have hands-on experience in the field. They will guide you through every step of the learning process, ensuring you gain valuable insights and practical skills. 3. Hands-on projects. Theory is important, but practical application is key. Our course emphasizes hands-on projects, allowing you to apply what you've learned in real-world scenarios. You'll build a strong portfolio that showcases your abilities to potential employers. 4. Flexibility and convenience. We understand that everyone has different schedules and commitments. That's why our course offers flexible learning options, including online classes, self-paced modules, and interactive discussions. Learn at your own pace and from the comfort of your home. 5. Industry-relevant skills. Stay ahead of the curve by acquiring skills that are in high demand across various industries. Our course focuses on the latest trends and technologies, ensuring you're equipped with the knowledge employers are seeking. 6. Networking opportunities. Connect with like-minded individuals, industry professionals, and potential employers through our dedicated online community. Expand your professional network and open doors to exciting career opportunities. Who should enroll? Whether you're a beginner, recent graduate, a working professional looking to upskill, or an aspiring tech enthusiast, our technology skills course is perfect for you. No prior experience is required, just bring your enthusiasm and eagerness to learn, and we'll take care of the rest. Enroll today and shape your future. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to master the tech skills that will propel your career forward. Embrace the digital revolution and position yourself as a sought-after professional in the tech industry. Check the description for link or visit our website to enroll in our technology skills course today. Spaces are limited, so act now and secure your spot. The future awaits. Embrace it with confidence through our transformative technology skills training.